We all know the benefits of recycling at home, which is why the City of St. Catharines is looking into how employees can reduce their waste at work as well.
City of St. Catharines is working with Links for Greener Learning to do a waste audit of our City Hall facilities and find out how well we're doing with our current recycling practices.
And so how many days of recycling do you have here?
So it's almost a week. We have like 3 days, just over 3 days of waste that they're going through and recycling, determining how much is recycling, how much should just be going in the garbage, and if it's being done properly.
So why do you think it's important that this audit is done?
We haven't really taken a good look at our waste management practices internally. A lot of the recycling that we've done is at public facilities, so arenas, parks and libraries, things like that, but not internally in terms of staff, how well we're doing. So this is a good baseline. We'll find out how well we compete with or compare to other municipalities and other organizations.
Is this really because we're trying to divert about 65% of our waste in the next few years to our landfills? So is that why it's so topically important now?
Definitely waste management is a big issue. You know, everyone at their home, you do recycling. Sometimes when you're at work, there's not the same options you have at home. So we want to know what people are doing with their waste. Are they recycling properly, or are they not? So definitely waste management is a huge issue that we're trying to tackle.
Patrice, tell me about Links for Greater Learning.
We're a not-for-profit environmental organization. We have a lot of green programs and initiatives that we help the community, help the environment, provide income for newcomers, and just help to foster a more sustainable environment.
So tell me what you're doing here today.
Today we're doing a waste audit for City Hall. This is a part of our waste reduction project funded by the Ontario Trillium Foundation. It's a waste reduction project that we have for elementary and secondary schools, where we go in, we do workshops, we do waste audits, we help them to improve their waste management system in order to get their eco-school certification and just have a more eco-friendly school as well.
So today you're actually sorting through about 3 days worth of garbage from City Hall.
Yeah.
Any surprises so far?
No, not really. Pretty much what you would expect from any administrative building. A lot of coffee cups, a lot of paper, non-recyclable plastic packaging. So no surprises, but there's definitely areas that they can improve upon. But they're not doing too badly, to be honest.
So what are you hoping to find from today's results?
We're trying to find out where the biggest areas are we can improve. You can always do better, no matter how well or how poorly you're doing. So we're definitely looking to see what that baseline is and what areas we can target to improve and get that diversion rate up.
What is your plan from going forward?
Well, we're going to look at the data and hopefully make decisions based on what the data shows us. So whether that's more education, or if we need to invest in new recycling bins or other things like that. City Hall is an interesting building because obviously there's staff there. There's 230 staff that work out of City Hall, but the public's there also as well. So in the public areas, is there a difference between what they're doing? Do we need more signage for the public? Is it more for staff? So we're really interested to see what the data is going to tell us, and then we're going to go from there.
The Links for Greener Learning operates many programs besides the waste audit. For more information, visit their website. In St. Catharines, reporting for The Source, I'm Lori Taraba.